Regal Beloit Corporation. Was established in 1955 with its headquarters in Wisconsin, USA, and has evolved into a world-leading manufacturer of electric motors, power generation and power transmission products. Regal has three business segments: commercial and industrial systems, climate solutions, and power transmission solutions. It has fully equipped world-class manufacturing units at 63 sites and 16 state-of-the-art design centers in the United States, Canada, Latin America, Europe and Asia. Having more than 23,000 satisfied and dedicated employees globally. Regal is known for its world-renowned brands like Marathon, Gentech, Fasco, Century, CMG, Elco, Torin, Leeson, Durst, Grove Gear, Gem and Nicotra.
Our culture at Regal is about integrity, inclusion, engagement, responsibility, transparency and performance. In Regal, we believe in creating a better tomorrow by efficiently converting power into motion through our products that drive energy savings and through our employees who ensure that they work towards a sustainable planet and by supporting our communities. Our strength lies in the quality and passion of our people and engaged employees that are working to make the world a better place to live in. So what's Regal India?
In India, Regal's manufacturing footprints include facilities in Faridabad, Kolkata, Greater Noida, and a new facility in Ahmedabad. Also, there are two design centers, GTC Hyderabad and GTC Pune. Regal's Faridabad operation is a part of Regal's climate segment and also known as Marathon Electric India Pvt. Limited. It is an ISO 9001:2015 certified manufacturing facility and was established in 1966. Regal acquired the business from General Electric. Regal Faridabad is the largest manufacturer and exporter of electric motors in India. The Faridabad unit manufactures fractional horsepower motors for heating, ventilation and air conditioning applications and motors for general industry application. Products include induction and permanent magnet motors for domestic as well as export market and sells under the Gentech and Marathon brand. Regal Kolkata is a part of Regal's industrial business and also known as Marathon Electric Motors India Limited. It was established in 1938 and earlier known as GEC Alstom. Regal Kolkata manufactures integral horsepower motors up to 4.5 megawatt capacity motors for applications like cranes, smoke spill fans, pumps, material handling, mining, exhaust and ventilation. Regal Ahmedabad is also a part of Regal's industrial business and was established in 2018 and is a recent addition into Regal's footprint in India. Regal Ahmedabad manufactures high-efficiency, low-voltage IHP motor for the India and export market using state-of-the-art manufacturing processes. Regal's joint venture with the Carrier Group is its Nicotra Gibaud business based out of Greater Noida. The Nicotra Gibaud facility manufactures a wide range of light and medium-duty centrifugal and axial flow fans for the commercial and industrial applications. Regal's technology centers in India, GTC Hyderabad and GTC Pune, cater to global products enhancements and development work. These world-class research and development facilities have given Regal globally a competitive advantage in launching new technologies and world-class products. An energetic and talented engineering team provides core capabilities in electrical, mechanical and electronic design, simulation and testing, high-end analysis using FEA tools, drawing and modeling using CAD software. IT team at these locations support Regal globally on ERP implementation, system support and business intelligence. A global sourcing team provides Regal global locations cost-competitive sources. Regal India believes in hiring the best talent and empowering them to make our business and customers successful. Our high-energy teams have made a positive impact on delivery, productivity and quality. Regal India is committed towards the environment and has won several national-level safety awards from the Indian government. Additionally, Regal India has been awarded by the Indian government for its performance on exports. We lead the change.
We are Regal.